particularly from Siemens. I can see even principal from local other engineering college over here, Dr. Tate, Dr. Babadekar sir, other eminent people from industries, from press, all the faculty members of our institute, the postgraduate students. I think along with me, all of us are really fortunate to be a part of inauguration of Center of Opportunity. Just now while I was having a round with the dignitaries, this particular thing came to my mind. We call it Center of Excellence, but for the student point of view, I think it's a center of opportunity, and we have a lot of such opportunities in MIT. So from the, as a principal of Marathwada Institute of Technology and part of MIT group of institutes, I welcome all of you, and we really look forward for the progress of all of us, I would say. Thank you very much.
Today we have eminent personalities from Siemens with us. One of them is Mr. Dinesh Sawant, who is head All India Training. Mr. Sawant has done, he did his diploma in electrical engineering with power electronics in 1984 with first rank in VJTI, Mumbai. After that, he completed his degree in electrical engineering with electrical drives in 1987 with first rank in SPC College, Mumbai. Thereafter, he worked with Siemens Nasik from 1987 to 1999 in design, engineering and commissioning for 4 years. After that, he worked with Siemens Mumbai for 10 years in sales and marketing from 1991 to 2001. Mr. Sawant was with Siemens Thane from 2001 to 2005 as head of drive system for 4 years. Thereafter, he worked in Siemens Germany from 2005 to 2007 for 2 years as a manager MV drives. Presently, he is All India head for Siemens training industry sector. He is working on this since 2007 till date. I request Mr. Sawant to please take the charge, and he's going to talk on Siemens India partnership with support to MIT, especially industry university connection is the context. Mr. Sawant, please.
Dr. Munish Sharma and principals and all the management of MIT, all the guests from industries as well as colleges, and my friends from press, etc. Thanks for joining this event today, and also thanks for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of you. I will not take much time, but since the topic is connection between industry and academics, yes, last 2 years, many colleges have been coming forward from South India, from western part of the country, a little from east and west also, and they would all like to join hands with industries and do some sort of training so that students get practical knowledge. But I found that the approach was a little different from various colleges. MIT was outstanding, and I would like to thank the MIT management for such an aggressive step they have taken. We should really appreciate the way they have gone ahead to partner with Siemens and put up so much money investment to set up such labs so that it benefits not only the students, the industries, indirectly the full society. That is students gaining knowledge over here. What would happen now? Because this is just a start. Because I would say setting up a lab was the first step. But the real story or the real efforts would start now. We will have to train the students, we will have to first train the trainers, that is the professors would be trained. The second step would be when the professors are training the students, we will be still doing some hand-holding, and then the students would be brought up to a level where they will, when they come out from the 3rd and the 4th year, they will be confident enough to face their job interviews, to face the postgraduate interviews, and also to work in industry from day one with a lot of confidence. It is good for industries because industries will not have to put sufficient time and effort to train the students, lose 1 year, The seniors will have to spend time in training the students. All this will be saved. Because today there is no time. The industries are competing in their respective areas. The managers, the seniors do not have time to guide their juniors. Those days are gone. And that is why industries keep on expecting that the students which will come out from the colleges have to be industry ready. So this is a very important point, number one. Number two, I would not like to criticize, but still it's a fact that there is a pull towards computer software. I know there will be people over here from IT branches also, but the volumes of engineers that we are losing to the IT area is not good for this country. If everybody goes for computer software, who will do mechanical engineering? Who will do electrical engineering? Who will do instrumentation? Who will marry all these things in automation? Because in automation also we need a very different type of software. So this would develop an interest in the students because they will see it practically very closely. And then, who knows, they will change their mind. They will not run behind the dollars, but they will run behind the technology. So this is also one of the intention that we are trying to spread this hardcore engineering knowledge in the colleges at root level, so that IT boys and girls would go to IT, mechanical boys and girls would go to mechanical, and electrical would go to electrical. And last but not least, again, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, these branches, these walls should diminish, should become thinner and thinner. Because when a boy or a girl goes to the industry, when he is on the shop floor, whether he is in design, whether he is in commissioning, whether he is in engineering, or whether he is in sales also, sales and marketing, when he goes out to work, he will be not getting a chance to work. Nobody will appreciate that you are a mechanical engineer. You are an engineer. A task is given to you. For example, an automotive paint shop is to be made. It is a paint shop. Don't tell me that you are an electrical engineer and you don't know automobiles. You should know at least basics of automobile engineering, what a paint shop means. And then the required PLC knowledge, the required process knowledge, all that is required. And these type of center of excellences will give the students an opportunity to make these walls thinner and thinner. And then we will have an excellent bunch of engineers who will appreciate what is going on the other side. At night, 2 o'clock, if the plant goes down, a mechanical engineer will not be scared to go to a circuit breaker and start a circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is strict. Why should mechanical engineers sit idle? Because it's an electrical branch. It's a common sense of engineering. All these things are important, and vice versa is true. Even mechanical engineers today cannot live without automation because everything is becoming automatic. Chocolate making is automatic, car making is automatic, newspaper making is automatic. So with all these things, these are various intentions with which we are encouraging the colleges to come forward. And the way MIT has taken a big step, I can promise you all that they will take more bigger steps in future also. And I'm sure this will become what I foresee at the rate at which it is going. This might become a very important hub for Siemens in this part of the country. And there will be a great pull, there will be a great opportunity, not only for college students, but even for industries to come and practice over here. Okay? Thank you very much.
It's a privilege and honor to have a person, eminent person such as Dr. Zupa with us today. So, I would like to request Dr. Zupa. Dr. Zupa he did his degree in German in electrical engineering, which is termed as diploma in Germany. However, it is degree in electrical engineering. Then he did degree in economic studies in 1999. Thereafter, he received his doctoral degree in 2007, and his title of his doctoral thesis was Market Research for Complex Systems at Example of the Intelligent Home. He was working with Siemens from 1992 to 2001 in Berlin in electrical installation, technical sales, and business development for smart buildings. Thereafter, he worked with corporate technologies from 2002 to 2010 in Munich. International assessor for CMII, Project Management and Innovation Benchmark. He was also worked with Siemens Professional Education since, he is working with Siemens Professional Education since 2010, and presently he is heading the Siemens Technik Academy, Berlin. In addition to this, he is also co-publisher of a professional magazine, BIS System magazine for modern building technologies. He is working there working as a co-publisher since 1993. He is also Siemens coordinator and action line lead smart energy systems in European Institute of Innovation and Technologies. He worked there for 2010 to 2011. He is also lecturer for innovation management at Stenbies University, Berlin since 2008. May I request Dr. Zupa to please come, and he is going to talk on importance of Siemens program and College of Engineering connections. And his focus is mechatronics worldwide scenario. Mr. Zupa, please. Dr. Zupa.